Hi everyone, I am Disha Gour,
Hi, myself
and this is the
Disha. I
quick
have
walkthrough
completed
of
my
my integrated project
internship with
in
Unified
machine
Mentor
learning,
as a
which I
full
have
stack web
completed
development
during
intern. It was a
my
great
internship
learning
at Unified
experience.
Mentor.
I got to
Over the
work on the
past three
projects
months,
like
I have worked on the real
weather
world
app, which
program
uses API
projects.
integration,
Those
or
are
student teacher booking
Instagram fake
appointments,
spammer
which
genuine
also uses
accounts,
Firebase and
climate
Cloud
change modeling,
Firestore.
overtrip
I had
analysis.
such a
From the
great
fraud
time working
detection
on this
model, I
project,
learned
which
how profile
makes my
patterns,
knowledge
follower ratios,
or my
and
theoretical
activity
knowledge worked
matrices
into the
help
practical
identify
ones.
fake
It
accounts with the
improved
accuracy.
my skills in
And in
HTML,
the climate
CSS,
change
JavaScript, and
forecasting project, I
also
used
I
NASA
happen to learn
climate
new skills
data
like
to
React,
analyze
Node,
trends and predict
and
temperature
Firebase as well.
anomalies,
I had
uncovering
such a
how
great time. Overall,
CO2,
the
solar
mentors
radiation,
in
and
Unified Mentor are
precipitation
so
strongly
supportive. Any
influence
doubts
global
can be
warming.
solved if I message them
And
or call them in
throughout
any time,
the Uber
which
trip
was a
analysis,
great thing
I
which makes
explore millions
every
of
task
ride
easier.
records to
Thank you,
understand peak demand
Unified Mentor, for
hours
giving me this
day by
opportunity, and
day
I'll recommend
and
to all
how
the students
activities
to gain the
vehicles
work
directly affect
experience
trip
and the
volumes.
real life experience
This
through this.
internship
Thank
truly
you.
sharpened my hand-on skills in EDA,
Hi,
features
myself
engineering,
Disha. I have
machine learning
completed
models,
my
dashboard creations,
internship
and
with Unified
real-world data
Mentor as a
handling.
full stack web
Overall,
development
it was
intern.
an
It was a
amazing
great learning
experience
experience.
learning
I
with
got to
you.
work on the
Unified
projects
Mentor
like
provides guidance,
weather app, which
flexibility,
uses
and
API
industry
integration,
level
or student teacher
exposure
booking
that really
appointments,
helped me to
which
grow
also
as
uses
a data
Firebase
science
and Cloud
intern. Thank
Firestore.
you, everyone,
I
and
had
teammate too.
such a great time working on